This before and after photo really shows the difference a new Crest can make. As with lenses on a car, it is difficult to tell how tarnished the old hood Crest has become without looking at a brand new one. With such an easy installation, it is perhaps the quickest method of instantly improving the exterior look of your 911. The new Crest is so shiny it's hard to take a good picture of it. The inside of the hood is manufactured with access holes so that you can remove and replace the Crest. Make sure that you don't tighten the two speed nuts too much, or you can crack some of the plastic gels embedded in the front of the Crest or damage your hood. The insert photo shows the complete genuine Porsche Crest with the Crest seal and two speed nuts. Replacement of the rear plastic emblem is relatively easy. New emblems come with a pre-applied adhesive that is similar to a double-sided sticky tape. The trick to removing the old emblem is to use dental floss. If possible, let your car sit in the direct sunlight for an hour or so, and then get a few strips and work them under the emblem, cutting away the old adhesive. When the emblem is off, carefully clean the area with some isopropyl alcohol and then apply the new emblem. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.